In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate the Expedia website to manage your trips. We'll dive into a straightforward process for viewing and possibly canceling your travel bookings. So whether you're an experienced traveler or new to managing your trips online, this guide will walk you through each step. Let's get started. First, let's head to the Expedia website. You can do this simply by opening up your preferred web browser and typing in Expedia's URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see Expedia's familiar homepage with options to explore flights, hotels, car rentals, and more. But today, our focus is going to be on managing your existing trips. Once you're on Expedia's homepage, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find a tab labeled Trips. Clicking on Trips will take you to a section where all your bookings are neatly organized. Here, you'll have an overview of all the current and upcoming travels you've booked through Expedia. It's a handy feature that keeps all your travel plans in one place for easy access and management. With the trip section open, your next step is to locate the specific booking you're interested in possibly canceling. Expedia makes this easy by displaying your bookings in a list format, often with clear headings indicating the destination, dates, and sometimes even the booking type, like flights or accommodations. If you have multiple trips, take a moment to review the details of each one to ensure you're selecting the correct booking. Once you've identified the booking you wish to manage, click on it for more detailed options. Depending on the policies associated with your specific booking, you might find various options such as changing dates, requesting a refund, or canceling the booking altogether. It's important to pay close attention to any cancellation policies or fees that might apply. If you choose to cancel, Expedia usually prompts you with a confirmation screen to ensure you want to proceed. And that's it. After following these steps, you'll have successfully navigated the Expedia site to manage your trip bookings. It's a pretty simple process once you've done it a couple of times. This platform is designed to provide as much convenience as possible, thanks to its user-friendly interface that allows for quick adjustments to your travel plans. As a helpful tip, before finalizing any cancellations, double-check terms and conditions related to changes in bookings, as these can vary significantly depending on your destination, the provider's policies, and the timing of your cancellation. Also, consider reaching out to Expedia's customer service if you encounter any issues during the process. They're typically very responsive and can assist with any complications. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Safe travels.